Hi everybody. I now have one of these washing machines um, from China. It's not. I didn't buy it from China, but it was it's I bought it off Amazon and it came in a couple of days. So and it's shipped from Virginia, but it's definitely a Chinese product, and it comes with this really neat hanger to hang your wet clothes on. Um, these aren't known to have like a um, super longevity or you know anything like that. But I believe that if I just use this one to wash clothes with, perhaps I won't have the problem I had with the one I got on Temu, which was a different brand. We have smart timing, spin cleaning, second gear speed, automatic stop, sterilize, and underwear. The only other person who has reviewed this so far, um, they said that the timer really meant nothing, that it would always cut off early. But, if it works, I can live with that. It's small, convenient, and understand you better. Okay. It's definitely been made primarily for the Chinese market. However, on the inside, there is some instructions, and it suggests mostly to use underwear, ties, panties, and socks. I'd probably stick a shirt in there and see what would happen, or a pair of shorts or something. Um, Even if I have to like wash it by hand somewhat. And here we have the actual product. It's a nice purple one. And it has suction cups, a little um, handy button. The buttons say hang on here. I can't even read with these glasses sometimes. Oh, I've got it wrong side up. That's why. 30 minutes. Let's see. 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and 10 minutes. Okay, gotcha. And you hook it up with a USB. One thing I know from my very shortly lived Temu one, which wasn't nearly as advanced as this, is if you use the wrong brick for it, it will just not work, um, or it'll work very slowly. All right. You push the middle button and it turns it on. And you can either do low or high. That's high. Then it goes in another direction. My other one didn't do that either. So yeah, and it's got like a timer to decide how long you want to do it. Yeah, it's just going to be small, lightweight clothing. But I mean, it's definitely better than nothing. It's definitely better than having to worry about quarters all the time. In in the interim, when I'm not out and can get quarters easily, this will work fine for little things. For my first attempt at this, I am using some vinegar as a stain remover because I don't have any official stain remover, and then some fabric softener and a thing of an actual laundry detergent, and also I put in some of those little uh, scent beads, and hopefully they'll dissolve with the water eventually. I may have to rinse them off, but anyway, we'll see what happens. I have very little faith in this shirt getting clean because it's got a lot of cat hair. It's moving it. Sort of. It's trying. They said don't put big things in, but oh, there we go. I think it has the possibility of getting almost clean, don't you? I'll probably have to rinse it off in the sink to get the soap out. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's kind of cool. I hope it lasts a little while, because the $5 one I got on TV sure didn't. But it didn't do all this cool stuff. Is it going to hang up now? I'm just fascinated with this, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Water's always been fascinating. It's sort of relaxing watching it. I don't know. Anyway, um, I'll let you know how it goes. I think since I put such a big item in there, I probably should not try to wash anything else along with it right now. Actually, it stopped. I guess it hung up. But when the moment I took the shirt out, it started again. So I tried to wipe off some of the cat hair, and I think the only way this is going to get all the cat hair off is if I either find a lint roller or I actually find $1.75 and go over and dry my clothes, which would kind of be sort of defeating the purpose.